I am going to be refreshing one of our garden beds that got completely overtaken by crabgrass, and I'm going to be showing you from start to finish how we are refreshing this garden bed and what are the steps that we are taking to keep this grass out for good. So let's get started. Well, welcome back to Lucky Cat Creations, and today we took a trip over to Singh Meadows over in Tempe to pick up some soil for our raised bed refresh. And one of our beds was just completely overrun by grass creeping up from below, so we are starting fresh, and I am getting their blend mix. It's a rich soil, compost, and perlite mix that is all mixed together and perfect for our Arizona raised garden beds. The perlite really helps with drainage and aeration, which we definitely need in Zone 9B. Just check out this tractor loading us up. And for $70, we are getting enough to completely fill our raised garden bed and get it ready for our winter planting. Now that's way more cost effective than buying bags, and look how fast this loads. We are back home, and behind me is the raised garden bed here that we are tackling today. We have been slowly removing all of the soil out and just getting it ready to refresh. I'm going to show you really quick what we'll be doing today to start off. I'm going to be using some landscape fabric, or weed barrier if you will. This is a non-woven professional weed barrier, and we are not going to be doing just 1 or 2 layers. We're actually going to be placing 3 layers of this stuff to hopefully prevent that grass from penetrating through and creating havoc on our garden bed.
Oh, the cockroaches.
Oh,
okay.
what do we
Here,
just do
do this.
tomorrow?
Right here. This one.
Okay.
That little thing right here, right? A little doohickey doody. This screen. This screen keeps the dirt. Screen back in there. There you go. Good. Get back up. Right here. Nice. That's it. Now, get you to turn on.
I'm not putting my hand down there.
Right. Yeah, they got this. Okay, turn the sprinklers on for me. See how it goes.
That one got a little crazy there, but it's working. Well, it is the next morning and I am happy to say it is nice to see our garden bed nice and full of soil again. And now for the fun part of planting. So let's get to it. Well, everything is planted, watered in, and ready to grow. So there you have it. $70 in soil, a good solid weed barrier system, and a fully planted winter raised garden. So no more grass invasion, and hopefully we'll have ourselves some carrots, radishes, kale, scallions, calendula, and petunias all growing. And I'll be sure to follow up with updates as these plants continue to grow. So if you want to see how this bed performs, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And now I want to know, what are you planting in your winter garden? Well, be sure to drop a comment below. I love hearing from fellow Arizona gardeners to know what you guys are growing in your gardens. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!